Hi everybody, I miss you all. Here is an update for what we will do in math this week. If you recall way back in March before we left school, we were working on three-dimensional geometry. So today, Monday, we will look at three-dimensional figures, reviewing nets and faces, edges and vertices. We've done this already. On Tuesday, we'll look at the surface area of prisms, and we're going to only look at cubes. I think that'll just be a little simpler. We're going to skip surface area of pyramids for right now, and on Wednesday jump to the volume of rectangular prisms. And a lot of you may have done this before. So my goal is to keep you engaged in learning, but not to overwhelm you. So please let me know if any of this feels like too much. And I will always offer opportunities for students who want something a little more challenging than this. So if you remember, we did this worksheet a long time ago. We had three-dimensional figures drawn that we had to identify. So I'm going to give you a minute to see if you can match the name with the figure. Please pause the video. And here are the answers. If you remember when we did this worksheet, we felt like this looked like a cube, but the answer key said rectangular prism. In addition, you should remember these terms: faces, vertices, edges. So a face is like a side, a vertice is like a point or the corner, and the edge is where the two faces join. We also looked at nets and did some cutting and folding, which was a lot of fun. See if you can name each net. Pause the video, and when you're ready, resume, and I'll show you the answers. So here are the answers. And hopefully you can easily see a pyramid with one base is different from a prism that has two bases. So this is Tuesday's lesson, but we've talked about it in class, so I'm just going to give you a very quick review, and I've included some videos for you to watch so you remember this. What is surface area? And if you remember, we talked, it's kind of like the gift wrap or the paint on the outside. So here's a cube which has 6 faces, and here's the net. So you can see to find surface area, we would find the area of each face and add it together to get the total surface area. So we're not going to do any rectangular prisms right now, but I think you could see it's the same idea. You find the area of each face and add it together. So here is our cube, and it is 2 by 2 on each face. So we can see that the area is 4 units squared, 4, 4, and since there are 6 faces, we can easily see that the total surface area is 6 times 4, or 24 units squared. Here's one more example. Here's different cubes. We're going to do just this one guy right here. He is 3 by 3 by 3, right? Inches or centimeters or whatever. So if you look at the net over here, there's the 6 faces. So this one will be 9 because 3 times 3 is 9. 9. So now we have the surface area is 6 times 9 because there's 6 faces, or 54 units squared. Now you can go back to the Google Doc for more instructions on what to do. Thank you.